In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create recurring tasks in Notion. Let's create our tasks database. I'm going to call it tasks. Then let's rename this text property to task. We don't need the multi-select property for this, so let's delete that. And let's make a checkbox property. Delete all the rows here so we'll have a clean table. Next, click this blue arrow in the blue button and click New Template. So this is for the first task. I'll call it Feed the Dogs. Then click anywhere in your screen to get out of that page. Click the arrow down in the blue button again, then click the three dots to edit the template. Click Repeat. This is a daily task for me, so I'll choose every day. It's currently 9:01 p.m. for me, so I'll have it created at 9:02 p.m. so I can show you. There you go. Do the same for your remaining tasks. If this video helped, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.